Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Magic for Troubled is probably one of the most intriguing books I've come across recently. It's a guide to navigating the complexities of modern life with a touch of ancient wisdom. This book offers practical advice and spells designed to bring clarity, peace, and a sense of control during challenging times. Whether you're facing personal struggles or global uncertainties, this book provides tools to help you find your center and move forward with confidence. Number 5. Hasbro Gaming Scrabble Game. This is the classic Scrabble game, perfect for word lovers. It comes with everything you need for a fun showdown. The game includes letter tiles and a game guide. It's all you need to get started and enjoy the game. In Scrabble, every letter you use counts towards your score. Plan your words carefully to maximize your points. The game includes a game board, 100 wooden letter tiles, 4 tile racks, a drawstring letter bag, and a game guide. Everything is included to start playing immediately. You can store the tiles in the drawstring bag when you are done playing. This helps keep everything organized. What we like. Scrabble is a timeless classic, perfect for family game nights. It's a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary and challenge your friends. If you enjoy word games and friendly competition, this is the perfect choice. You'll have hours of fun with it. What people say. The book is a great resource for anyone interested in exploring the intersection of magic and personal growth. It offers practical techniques and exercises that can be incorporated into daily life. The author provides clear explanations and guidance throughout the book. Number 4. MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-Piece Magnetic Construction Set. This is the MAGNA-TILES Classic 32-Piece Set. It's the original magnetic building brand. This set is perfect for sparking creativity. Inside, you'll find 32 translucent geometric shapes in 6 vibrant colors. The set includes squares and various types of triangles, providing a wide range of building possibilities. This set is the original and most celebrated in magnetic construction. It features classic geometric shapes in primary colors. It's a timeless toy that children love. It's a certified STEAM toy, aiding in the development of fine motor skills, cognitive abilities, and creativity. It's designed to help children learn and grow while they play. This is the ideal starter set for children aged 3 and up. It's a great gift for any occasion, providing hours of fun and learning. Start with the classic 32-piece set and watch your child's imagination soar. The possibilities are endless with this amazing set. All pieces are compatible with other MAGNA-TILES sets. You can expand the collection and create even bigger and more complex structures. What we like. MAGNA-TILES are the original magnetic building blocks, designed to spark creativity. These blocks are a fantastic way to encourage your child's imagination and develop essential skills. If you're looking for a gift that combines fun and learning, this is the perfect choice. They will love it. What people say. This book is a great resource for anyone interested in exploring the intersection of magic and social change. It offers practical spells and rituals designed to address contemporary issues. The book provides a framework for using magic as a tool for personal and collective transformation. Number 3. Quiver Time 100 Plus Standard Deck Blocks. This deck box is designed for maximum efficiency. It can hold up to 100 double-sleeved cards, or even more single-sleeved or unsleeved cards. It's perfect for protecting and organizing your favorite trading card decks. Whether you play Magic, The Gathering, Pokemon, or Yu-Gi-Oh!, this deck box has you covered. It provides secure and professional storage for all various TCG play formats. This is an ideal solution for trainers and duelists. The deck box features 3 double walls and extra thickness, offering superior protection. It keeps your cards safe from bending, dust, and moisture. This ensures your cards stay in mint condition. Each deck box includes 2 dividers to help you sort and categorize your collection with ease. You can choose from a vibrant color selection to match your style and preferences. This makes it easy to find the cards you need. Take this deck box anywhere. It's lightweight, durable, and easy to transport. Certified for premium materials and superior reliability, it's the ultimate choice for serious TCG players. What we like. Quiver Time deck boxes are designed to keep your trading cards safe and organized. They offer superior protection and come with dividers for easy sorting. If you are a serious TCG player who wants to protect your cards, this is the perfect choice. You will find it very useful. What people say. The book is a great resource for anyone interested in exploring the intersection of magic and personal growth. It offers practical techniques and exercises that can be incorporated into daily life. The author provides a clear and accessible guide to various magical practices. Number 2. Heyzeibo Magic Kit for Kids. Introducing the Heyzeibo Magic Kit. It's designed for kids aged 6 and up, offering an exciting introduction to the world of magic. This kit is filled with easy-to-learn tricks and high-quality props, helping them build confidence. With this kit, they can quickly learn the same tricks as professional magicians. These basic techniques can also be expanded to other forms of magic, encouraging your child's ability to think creatively. The kit includes a detailed, easy-to-understand instruction manual with pictures. Children can quickly learn how to perform the tricks. You can even study with them and offer assistance, enhancing your interaction. The Heyzeibo Magic Kit is the perfect gift for beginner magicians. Imagine the excitement on their faces when they receive this kit. It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. The magic props are made of quality, safe materials. The edges are carefully polished to ensure they won't hurt your child. This kit is designed for young hands and is perfect for beginners. If you have any questions about the kit, please contact us. We're here to help with a refund or replacement if needed. Get ready to amaze your friends and family. What we like. The Heyzeibo Magic Kit is designed for beginner magicians, packed with easy-to-learn tricks. It includes a detailed instruction manual, so kids can quickly learn how to perform. If you're looking for a gift to boost a child's confidence and creativity, this is the perfect choice. They will love to show off their new skills. What people say. The book is well written and easy to understand. The author provides practical advice and exercises. The book offers a unique perspective on dealing with difficult times. Number 1. Mega Magic Kit for Kids. Introducing the Mega Magic Kit. This amazing set allows them to perform hundreds of exciting tricks. It's perfect for young magicians aged 6 to 12. With 28 props, this is the ultimate magic set. They can become the star of the show. It's the largest selection of tricks available. They'll be performing magic in no time. Instructional videos from Master Magician Leif Davis and an easy-to-follow manual are included. They will wow everyone with their new skills. This is the perfect gift for any young magician. It includes different levels of tricks to keep them entertained. They'll love putting on a spectacular magic show. This magic set is made of the best quality materials. It even includes a 2-level magic box for storage. Just add the magic words and watch the fun begin. Try it risk-free with our 30-day return policy. They can experience their new magic set completely risk-free. Let them show off their new magic skills. What we like. The Mega Magic Kit offers a huge selection of tricks and instructional videos. It's made from high-quality materials and includes a magic box for storage. If you want a complete magic set that will keep your child entertained for hours, this is the perfect choice. They'll be amazing their friends and family in no time. What people say. The book offers a wealth of information and practical exercises. It provides a structured approach to working with magic. The author's writing style is clear and easy to understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.